Facing SP creates a facing based on selected elements in a single piece. Start the macro and set the desired width of your facing. Confirm with OK. In the next step, the elements for the facing need to be selected in clockwise order. Click the elements with the right mouse button, except for the last one, which needs to be selected with a left click. The macro generates and traces the new pattern piece. Once finished, the piece is attached to the mouse cursor and can be placed using a left click.